Okay, another problem here. We're told to find which of the following are antiderivatives of sine x cosine x. Okay, well, any of these functions here will be antiderivatives of this if we get this when we take the derivative. So let's take the derivative of each of these, 1, 2, and 3, and see which of them come out to be this or something equivalent to that. So the first one here, I'm just going to do this in the space right up here. F prime of x is going to be 1/2, because a constant multiplier sticks around, 1/2 times the derivative of sin² x. And sin² x, remember, is sin x squared. So that's going to be 2 times sin x to the first times the derivative of sin x. So that would be cosine x. And then the 2's cancel and we're left with sin x cosine x. And hey, that's exactly that. So that one worked. So number 1 is an antiderivative of the given function here. Okay, let's try number 2. F of x is 1/2 cosine² x, or cosine² x over 2. So let's take the derivative of that, f primed. We get 1/2, and then the derivative of cosine squared is going to be 2 cosine x times the derivative of cosine x, which is negative sine x. And the 2's cancel here, but this is not equivalent to this because of this negative sign. So number 2 does not work. Now how about number 3? Let's take the derivative of this. So f prime here, well, I've got a negative 1/4. So it's negative 1/4, and then the derivative of cosine 2x, that would be negative sine 2x times the derivative of 2x, which is just 2. And this will simplify a little bit. The 2 and the 4 will reduce to a 2 down there. And so that gives me, these negative signs, that negative sign and that negative sign are going to cancel out. So this gives me a sine 2x over 2. Now that works, and you need to remember your trig identities to do this. Remember this. Well, watch this. Sine of 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta cosine theta. Or you could write it with an x in there. Sine, let me write that a little more neatly. Sine of 2x is 2 sine x cosine x. Every single time. That's a trig identity. So apply that concept right here. And you see that what we get up there, that could be written as 2 sine x cosine x over 2. And then the 2's cancel, and sure enough, we're left with sine x cosine x, which is that. So that one works. So 1 and 3 both work. And that's tricky because you don't get number 3. If you just leave it in this form, it doesn't look like this. You're not going to get this problem correct if you don't remember that trig identity. So the answer is 1 and 3, so that would be D.